Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing the Luxury Diva. This is the accessory box. I did this last month on my channel. So they increased the price on this. So last month it was $30 a month. This month it's $35 a month, and they raised the price saying for shipping costs. Now that is one thing that I do not like in a company, when I feel like they get more subscribers and then they raise the price. That will make me cancel subscription if I pay for that every month. I don't like that. But having said that, $35 is still a great price for everything that you get in here. Last month, I really loved the box. So let's just get started and see what is in this month's box. Now, when you do sign up for this, you do get like a little profile that they ask you a whole bunch of questions to see what you like, what your style is. They ask you what your favorite color is and what your favorite least color is that you like to wear. So I put my favorite color is, I think I said black or green. I'm not sure. And my least favorite color is white, because white just makes you look a little bigger. So I don't really care to wear white myself. All right, so let's begin. That's what it looks like when you open her up. Looks like they sent me a little card also. So this is $35 for a one-time box, but if you want to get it monthly, like for 3 months, then it's $30. It gets cheaper as the more months that you sign up. All right, so this says, "And happy birthday. We wanted to give you a little something for your birthday. Enjoy, Nikki." Oh, that was nice. So this is the April 2019. So my birthday was April 6th. It says LD Insider. Okay. And then I guess this tells you like different things that you can get. Yeah, Sleigh Spring with some of our favorites. So right there will tell you different things. All right. Let's see. All right. So the first thing that I am pulling out is this umbrella. Does it have like, where is the, maybe? Oh, it fell out of the thing. Okay. So right here tells you what everything's in there and gives you prices. All right. So the first thing is this umbrella, and we all got, I believe everybody got umbrellas this month, and I don't know if it was different styles or what, but in New Jersey it does rain a lot. I'm going to see what it looks like. I know a lot of people are superstitious and don't like to open up umbrellas, but let's just see. Okay, so that's pretty. So that's what it looks like. And then the back is like that. Okay. And then it has like a little button here that you just press that can have it go down. All right, so how much is that? So animal print purse umbrella is $12. So you could have got an animal print, black, pink, or red. And I'm glad I got this because I love animal print. All right, and then we got this little tin here. And what is this? What you be? I don't see it on here. All right. Okay, so it has like mints. But these kind of cases like there, I like to put like my medicine in, like then put it in my pocketbook or something. So I like that. All right, the next thing are these bracelets right here. It says turquoise stone beaded 3-layer bracelet. You could have got it in turquoise, ivory, or black, and it's $23. Now, this is my favorite color. I love turquoise. I like black too, so I wouldn't have been mad if I got the black pair or the turquoise. So, oh, that's pretty. So you have the family, the tree of life right there, which I have a necklace that was given to me, and I really like. So it's 3 separate bracelets, and that's what it looks like. That's really pretty. This picture is a little different. This one here looks like that, and I wish it kind of looked like that right there, if you can see. All right, moving on. The next thing we got, so I think we get like a makeup product in each box, because last month we had, I think we got an eyeshadow palette. So this is Oakland Ultimate Look Pro Strobing Kit, natural color right there. And this retail values for $20. I don't know if I paid $20 for this, but let's see. So you just pull it out and then it looks like this. All right. Can I get it open? Oh, it's taped. Let's see. Get off of me. All right, so that's what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I know I won't use it. So that's what it looks like. It has 2 blushes, has some bronzers, has a couple highlighter shades, but I know I won't use this. So I'm not even going to open this up or swatch it. Alrighty, what else we got? Ooh, so we have a wallet here. And this is $34. You could have got it in light brown or dark brown. And who doesn't like wallets? How much did it say? $34. I don't know if I'd pay $34 for this. So it's just like a regular wallet, you know. The color story is not my style, but I mean, it's okay. I would put this in my pocketbook, you know, and you know, you don't really see that too much, but I don't like the way the zipper is. Like, I wouldn't pay $35 for this, but I'm happy to get it in a subscription box, you know? Okay. Oh, Jesus. All right. 2 more things. All right. So then we have these scarves. So this is lacy lightweight scarf. It is $19. You could have got a black, gray, coral, or mint. And I got this in mint. I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not. Why isn't it? But this is definitely like, that's weird, the way the camera is picking it up, if I'm seeing it correctly. But this is like a mint green. I don't know how I feel about that. Not scarves, not this late in the year, but okay. What is this? It says, Anne, the April box is finally here. That must mean summer is around the corner. We get scarves. Enjoy your goodies this month. Know you'll love them. And it looks like my box curator is Nikki. You guys can see. I don't know. It says it wanted to give me a birthday gift, but I don't know what extra was in there with that card. It says, happy birthday. We wanted to give you a little something for your birthday. So I have no idea. All right, last but not least is this shirt. So this shirt is how much? $26. You got it turquoise, taupe, blue, or black, and I got it in turquoise. This is in the size extra large. This is by John and Anna. This is not my style, but it's okay. I'd have to try this one to see if you guys, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know. I think last month was much better. I don't know. So let's recap what we got. All right. Does it say, okay, so it says total value for this box is $134. Okay, so let's talk about each thing that we got this month. So we have a shirt, and you know, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this shirt? I don't know. It's not really my style, but a lot of times when you try different things on, sometimes it looks different when you try it on. So I might like it. We shall see. I do like, it feels very lightweight. Let's see. Is it see-through? So it's not really see-through. I mean, you know, I don't know. Well, I'll have to see. I like the bracelets. I don't tend to wear bracelets, and they're heavy. If I do wear bracelets, they have to be like lights. But they're very pretty, and I might wear them. It all depends. In the summer, we shall see. We have this little box. I guess it's a little extra with mints, so I'm not knocking that. This wallet, I wouldn't have cared if we got a wallet, but I just don't like this style, and that's a personal preference, but that's the chance you take. If you order a subscription box or not, you know, you do take that chance to get things if you see if you like it or not. This here, this is like cheap dollar store makeup to me, that I wouldn't personally purchase this, but I don't know. Oakland, I don't know. I think because last month we got an eyeshadow palette, so I don't know how I feel about that. And we did get this. I think this is my favorite thing, this umbrella, because it does rain a lot. And did we get anything else? And the scarf. Now, I don't like the color. This is like a minty green color. And I don't wear scarves, but April, I don't know how I feel about getting scarves still on a subscription box this late in the month. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Last month was definitely better. This month was okay. Like I said, I don't like the fact that they raised the price. So we shall see what next month brings. I don't know. What do you think of this month's box? What do you think of it? Did you get this box? Did you like the box? Do you think I'm overreacting? Let me know. If you are interested in getting this box, I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, let me know. What do you think of it? And if you got it, did you get the same shirt? Did you like the shirt? I don't know. All right, guys, that's everything. I have a giveaway going on that ends in a couple weeks, so I'll leave it linked down below as well as on an end card if you want to check it out or want to be entered. It is my haul video, and I'm giving away, it's be 2 winners, and you have the chance to get some eyeshadow palettes and a liquid lipstick. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Please like this video because it really helps me out. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.